Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Volvo VNL 860 is here and it is rewriting everything we thought we knew about long-haul trucking. So get ready because today we're diving into the truck that is making veteran drivers rethink their entire fleet and inspiring new drivers to chase the open road with more confidence than ever before. From the moment you walk up to the 2026 VNL 860, you can feel that Volvo designed this machine with one thing in mind: pushing efficiency, comfort, and safety to a new level, the kind that changes the industry for years. The front end gets a completely re-engineered aerodynamic shape with sleeker lines, sharper contours, and airflow channels that cut wind resistance more aggressively than any previous VNL. This doesn't just make the truck look more futuristic, it increases fuel efficiency dramatically, helping fleets save thousands of dollars a year. The LED lighting system is brighter, cleaner, and more energy efficient, ensuring maximum visibility during night drives and harsh weather. Under the hood, the 2026 VNL 860 offers Volvo's latest generation powertrains, giving you options that balance raw strength with smart economy. Whether you choose the updated D13 or the advanced turbo compound variants, you get higher torque at lower RPMs, smoother performance on climbs, and reduced emissions without sacrificing pulling power. Drivers will immediately notice that the throttle response feels more precise, the shifting smoother, and the noise levels significantly quieter thanks to Volvo's improved insulation and engine tuning. Inside the cabin, Volvo has created what many drivers are calling a rolling luxury apartment. The moment you step inside, you're met with a wider cabin, better lighting, softer materials, and a layout that feels like it was designed by someone who actually lives on the road. The driver's seat now has more adjustments, improved lumbar support, and better cushioning for long hours behind the wheel. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving drivers complete control over what information they want front and center. The infotainment system is faster, cleaner, and supports wireless connectivity for both major smartphone platforms. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 VNL 860 is the upgraded sleeper area. Volvo understands that long-haul drivers don't just work in their trucks, they live in them. That's why the sleeper is more spacious with better storage, a larger and more comfortable bed, improved climate control, and new sound dampening technology that keeps the cabin quiet even when parked near busy highways or industrial sites. There's also a fold-out workstation, perfect for drivers who need to handle paperwork, plan routes, or relax with a laptop during downtime. Safety has always been Volvo's signature, and the 2026 VNL 860 takes it even further. With enhanced radar and camera systems, improved lane keeping assistance, more accurate blind spot detection, and a smarter collision mitigation system, this truck is constantly monitoring the road and helping the driver react faster. Volvo also added a new fatigue detection feature that tracks driving behavior and alerts the driver if signs of drowsiness are detected. On the road, the 2026 VNL 860 feels more stable than ever thanks to an upgraded suspension system that reduces vibrations and makes long trips less tiring. The steering feels lighter but still extremely precise, making tight maneuvers easier whether you're cruising down highways or backing into a dock. Overall, the 2026 Volvo VNL 860 is more than just a new truck. It is a statement from Volvo that the future of trucking is smarter, safer, and far more comfortable. If you're a fleet owner, this is the upgrade that can boost productivity and driver satisfaction. If you're a driver, this might be the truck that turns every long haul into a smoother, more enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews of the latest trucks and future heavy-duty machines. We'll see you next video.